students, today we are going to start from question number 8. In the previous session we have finished till question number 7. So let us see from the question number 8 onwards. In 7.3 two more questions are remaining, question number 8 and 9. Then we shall proceed to the miscellaneous exercise. In the question number 8 we have given that a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. See, first of all we are selecting the balls. Ultimately if we are giving the number to each and every ball, for example red ball 1, red ball 2, so finally we are selecting the ball. So suppose if we are selecting red ball 2 and red ball 3, so who is coming first, that doesn't matter. Okay, ultimately we have to select the 2 red balls or 2 black balls, whatever they are saying over there. So here one thing is very clear, the sequence doesn't matter. Okay, and hence the method of combination will work. Each and every time you have to focus on this particular concept where the sequence matter or not. Okay, if the sequence doesn't matter, then combination will work. Sequence matter, then the permutation will work. Okay, today we shall solve some questions where permutation and combination both will work together simultaneously. Okay, so let us see for this question now. First of all, here we shall write down, we shall mention first thing over here, that total number of black balls and red balls. So here first I will write down total number of black and red balls. Black and, wait a minute, yes, black and red balls. Sorry, I will write down once again, it was hang just over there. Black and red ball. So how many black and red balls are given to us? We have given that blacks are 5 and red are given to us as 6. Okay, so 5 and 6 respectively. Okay, now how many black balls and red balls are required? So we shall write down number of black and red balls required. That will be here 2 and 3 respectively. Okay, so that we have written the conditions and the given thing. Now we can write down therefore total number of ways. Okay, now we can write down simply what can be the total number of ways. Now see, while writing the total number of ways, remember our whole question is divided into 2 parts, the combination of black ball and the combination of red ball. Since these are the 2 parts of our whole question, so we shall find out the combination of black ball separately and the combination of red ball separately. Since we need to combine these 2 parts to find the solution of the whole question, so that's why we shall multiply. I have told you earlier, need not to be confused where we have to add and where we have to multiply. Multiplication would be done between the certain parts. In that case, where that particular parts will be a part of one particular question. Okay, and when we are performing the given conditions by different ways, the addition will come. Okay, let me get the questions of such kind. I will clear you more about that. So total number of ways, first of all see the black balls. How many black balls are given here? 5. Okay, and how many black balls are required to select? That is 2. Multiplication. Then how many red balls are given here? 6. And how many required to select? That is 3. Okay, so since these 2 are the part of the whole question, that's why we are multiplying. Now 5C2, we can solve it. So that will be 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1. I hope it is clear. 5 we are expanding 2 places and then upon we are writing factorial 2. Same we can do with the second combination also. 6 into 5 into 4, we shall expand till 3 places, and in the upon we shall write down factorial 3, that is 3 into 2 into 1. Here 3 and 2 6, and 6 can be cancelled, and here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, it can be cancelled. Here remaining is 10 and there it will remain 20. So we can say that therefore total number of ways to select 2 black and 3 red balls. 3 red balls are 200. That will be here 200. Okay, so this complete the question. It was very simple question. Let us see now the question number 9. In the question number 9 we have given that in the 9th question, now see what we have given. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available? Okay, we are not reading the further part. What we have given that 9 courses are given, okay, and we have to select any 5 courses. Okay, 5 courses, whichever is coming first, again sequence doesn't matter. For example, if we set given the condition to you that when you are in the class 11th, you have some elective subject, okay, you can select maths oblique biology, you can select physical education or computer science or IT or some other subject, even you can select Hindi also in one of the elective subject. So whichever the list you are preparing, suppose your friend is preparing one list and you are preparing also the same list, but the sequence is different. Okay, so does it make any changes over there? There will be no changes. Suppose you are also selecting English and he is also selecting the English, but you are writing at a different places. That doesn't make any change. Okay, so here sequence doesn't important. Okay, so it is a clear question of combination. Second thing, now they are adding some conditions. Suppose if I say directly, tell me what combinations can be possible, what total number of ways are there, you can select 5 courses from the 9 courses. So your answer is very simple, 9C5. Okay, but they are adding some condition now. Question is not that much simple. They are saying 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. So see, here I will show you first of all in rough. Total number of courses are given 9, and how many we have to select there? We have to select 5. So combination can be there as 9C5. This is the general combination. Okay, but what they are saying to us, they are saying 2 courses are compulsory for every student. For example, when you are coming to the class 11th, on that time some subject you are selecting and some you are not going to select, that is compulsory. For example, if you are selecting the science stream, okay, so in the science we can say that the physics and chemistry, these 2 subjects are compulsory, while mathematics and biology, that you are selecting whether we need to go for maths or we need to go with biology. Okay, so here same thing they are saying to us, the 2 courses are compulsorily given to each and every student. So see, first of all, out of 9, now how many choices are available to us? Out of 9, you see the choices are available here 7. Okay, overall how many courses we have to select? 5. But now since 2 are compulsory, so now how many choices available, means how many courses we can select actually? So we can say that now we shall select only 3 courses. Okay, out of the 7, since 2 are compulsorily, so that 2 courses we can keep aside. So out of 9, remaining is 7 only, and out of these 7, how many I will select? Only 3 to fulfill the criteria, because 2 are already compulsorily added to my syllabus. So to complete my course, I need to add moreover 3 courses over there out of the remaining courses. So from 7 I will select here the remaining 3 courses. The answer will be here 7C3. So this is our answer, 7C3 they are asking in the question. Okay, so let us see how we can write down the answer over here. First of all, we shall mention total number of courses is equal to 9. Number of courses required to select, number of courses required to select, that is 5. This is general condition. Okay, in general we have to select 5 courses out of 9. Okay, now we shall write down, since 2 courses are compulsory, 2 courses are compulsory, therefore number of courses available to select. Now how many courses are available we can select actually, that is 7. Okay, out of 9 we shall subtract 2 here, and now number of courses required to select, number of courses required to select, that will be equal to 3, because now 3 courses are only there which we can select. 2 already that is added in our syllabus. So therefore total number of ways, total number of ways is equal to 7C3. Now let us simplify. This will be 7 into 6 into 5. We shall expand till 3 places upon factorial 3. So 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now we shall simplify little further. 3 and 2 that will become 6, and 6 I can cancel. So it will be equal to 35, that we can say. So we can say that therefore by 35 ways we can select we can select 5 courses out of 9, while 2 courses are compulsory, while 2 courses are compulsory. Okay, it is like that. We have done the question in the beginning of the chapter. If you remember that the places were reserved. One question, if you remember, that mobile number we were generating, and the first 2 places were filled by some specific number like 6 and 5 or something like that. So remaining 3 places, remaining 4 places only we were arranging. So that 2 places we have ignored, since they were fixed. So we have ignored that 2 places and we have arranged only the remaining places over there. So this question is also the similar kind. Okay, now this complete the exercise 7.4, and you can say that all the methods of the chapter we have covered, but still we have not covered the question on permutation and combination altogether, means where the questions of permutation will be also there and combination also we shall apply in the same question. Okay, so let us start now the one question from miscellaneous exercise. Today we shall complete 2 to 3 questions of the miscellaneous. So let us see the first question. Now first of all, you see in this question, the without reading the question, only just by looking the question roughly, you can say that the question definitely include the method of permutation. How? Observe, the word is given there daughter, and wherever the words are given and from the word we are making different words with or without meaning, Definitely the question will be of permutation. One more thing you need to focus over here. In that word, if the letters are repeating, we will apply the formula factorial n upon factorial p into factorial q into factorial r. I hope you did not forget that formula. We have applied in the exercise 7.3 at the last. Okay. So in that you see, if the letters are repeating, we shall apply that formula. If the letters are not repeating, we shall apply the formula NPR or n to the power r, wherever the repetition is allowed or repetition is not allowed. Okay. But this question is not that much only. Otherwise, it could be kept in 7.3 only. Right. Now let us read the question. See what they are saying. How many words with or without meaning, each of 2 vowels and 3 consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? See what is happening actually. I will show you roughly first of all this mechanism, what is happening in the question, then accordingly we can solve the question. First of all, you observe we have given that one word daughter. Okay. Now one thing is very clear, in the word daughter there is no letter is repeating. You can check. Right. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. There is no letter is repeating over here. Now in this word, first of all you observe who are the vowels. Vowels are A, then U, then E. There are 3 vowels. Am I right? And how many consonants are there? Consonants are D, then G, then H, then T, and then R. Total how many letters are there? 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8. Here 5 consonants are there and 3 vowels we have. Okay. So total 3 consonants and 3 vowels and 5 consonants we have given. Here in short I will write down 3V and 5C to be clear for us. Clear? Now first of all, the step number 1. In the first step, what we are doing actually, in the first step we are selecting vowel and consonant. Remember, here we are selecting in the step number 1 vowel and consonant. Okay. Means how many vowels we have to select? See, it is written over there. We have to select 2 vowels and 3 consonant. Okay. Now which vowel is coming first and which is coming at last, that doesn't matter. For example, if I take A and U, or next time if I take U and A, that will be considered same only. Okay. So sequence is not matter here while you are selecting the letters. So for example, suppose if I have taken A, then U and 3 consonant, if I taken T, R and then D. So here sequence is not matter because we are not forming any word up till now. We are just keeping the letters ready. Okay. Yes, these are 2 my vowels and these are my 3 consonant. Okay. So we are just keeping ready this all letters. Second step, we shall form the word. Okay. So one thing is very clear, it is a case of combination. First one, it is a case of combination because we are selecting the letters, maybe vowel or maybe consonant. Okay. Now one more thing here, second step. Okay. First of all, what you are doing it from the 3 vowels and from the 5 consonant, you are selecting some specific vowels and specific consonant. Okay. Here you see you are selecting, we will write down here only. See, you are selecting how many vowels? You are selecting only 2 vowels. So out of 3 vowels we are selecting 2, out of 5 consonant we are selecting 3 consonant. So remember, here a case of combination will work. Second, now with the help of these letters A, U, T, R, D, for example, I am making the word D, R, T, A, U. that may not be meaningful. Okay, it can be meaningful, it cannot be. Or I can make the word R D A T U, or I can make here the word A T U R D. Okay, that is also possible. Tell me, all these three words are different or same? Definitely they are different, because if the sequence changes, the word is also changed. Okay, you change your name, for example, if you change the letter of your name, okay, then your name will be also look different. Each and everybody's the name will look different. So here sequence matters. So definitely here sequence is important. So we can say that if sequence is important over here, here in this question it is a case of permutation. Okay, so here while the second case, second time whatever we are forming, that if we apply, we shall apply the case of permutation, and in the first we shall apply the case of combination. You may be looking over here, the question is looking very difficult, but don't worry, question is not difficult, only that mechanism we have to understand what actually happening. You have to realize the mechanism, what is happening over there. You also see the things practically when you are selecting some letters from the given word. Okay, then definitely yes, first of all you will do the selection. You will think yes, who can be the letter I am going to take over there, and with the help of letter then you will form different words. With the help of same letter only you can form the different words over there. So definitely in that case, since the letters are same but still words are becoming different, so method of permutation will work over there. Okay, now see how we can express the answer of this question, the solution how we can express. I will mark a line over here. So rough part is not a part of your ideal solution, so it is better we can draw one line over here. Okay, we will write down under the line. Okay, now first of all here what we shall mention? We shall mention first of all the total number of letters we have given to us. So here we will write down total number of letters, that is equal to 8. Then number of vowels. So number of vowels, how many we have given? That is 3. Who are they? That also we can mention here, A, U and then E. Then we shall mention the number of consonants. So number of consonants will be equal to 5. Who are they? D, then G, comma H and T and R. Okay, now first of all here we shall write down first, see part number 1, what we are doing it, we are selecting the 2 vowels and 3 consonant. So here since we need to select 2 vowels and 3 consonants. 3 consonants initially. Therefore, number of ways for this. Okay, I am talking about the number of ways of selecting the vowel and consonant. That can be done 3C2 for vowel multiplied. Remember, it is a part of the whole process. Okay, vowel is one part and consonant is another part. So that's why we are multiplying. So 3C2 multiplied with 5C3. 5 vowels and we are selecting 3 over there. We will not solve it, we will keep it as it is. Solution we shall do it all together. Now what we are doing it? Now after selecting two vowels and three consonants. We make a word. With or without meaning. That we need to mention here, because the meaning can be there of the word or it cannot be. With or without meaning. Okay, so how many such words can be formed? So that will write down, therefore total number of words. How many words can be formed? Now see, how many total letters we have. First of all, you see how many total letters we have. Total number of letters I have 5, because now here there is no conditions are given. The vowels will be kept separately or consonant can be kept separately. They are mixed. Now 2 vowels are there, 3 consonants are there. They are mixed, and we are making one letter, so we are making one word which is containing 5 letters. Okay, so we can say that it can be done by 5P5 ways. Okay, 5C5, where sequence doesn't matter, but as I shown you in the second part, you can see with that 5 letters only I can make different words. Okay, and since here there is no letter is repeating, so we shall use the formula of NPR, because repetition is also not allowed over there. Okay, so 5P5 will be the required combination. Now we will write down at last, hence total number of ways. Now the question comes, how shall we write down the total number of ways? See, when we have written the particular case of combination and we have written the particular case of permutation, this is a part of the one complete process. Process doesn't end till we write down 5P5. So since they are the just part of the whole process, we shall multiply all of them. As we have multiplied 3C2 and 5C3, we shall multiply along with that 5P5 also. Okay, so every part of the process will get multiplied at each and every stages in the question. So here we shall multiply 3C2 into 5C3 into 5P5. Remember, only the formula of NPR and NCR we are applying it. Okay, 3C2, how I can write down? This can be factorial 3 into 2 places I will open, upon factorial 2 into 1 into, then 5 into 4 into 3, we shall open 3 places, upon again 3 into 2 into 1, and this can be written as factorial 5 upon 5 minus 5, that will be factorial 0. Okay, now here 3 and 3 cancel, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, here 2 and 2 got cancelled. So we will get here 3 into 5 into 2, 10, factorial 5 is 120 and factorial 0 is always 1. This I hope clear. Factorial 5 upon factorial 0, how it came. Formula of NPR, that is factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So here n and r both are same, that's why it will be factorial 0. Now 12 into 3, 36, and then 2 zeros will come. So answer is coming 3600. Okay, means total number of words can be formed, 3600 words can be formed. See, they were asking from us the same thing only in the question. How many words they were asking it? So words, total number of words will form 3600. You may be having some confusion, 5P5 only, why we have not written? See, 5P5 is giving us the number of words only for the letter D, R, T, A, U. Suppose if I have selected A and U, and from consonant I have selected D, R and T. So it is giving the total number of words will be forming from these 5 letters only. Next time, in place of A and U, if I have selected, for example, in place of A and U, if I have selected A and E, okay, here in place of A and U, if I have selected A and E, and in place of T, R and D, if I have selected another 3 consonants, okay, maybe a combination one we will be repeated, but some other letters may also come, then again the words are going to form will be different, right? So here each and every time the letters will become different, and hence the words will also become different. So total number of words that we have found along with the methods of permutation and combination. So this we will write down at last. Therefore, total number of words are 3600. That is your answer. Okay, quickly now we will see the second question. Third question onwards we will do next time. Okay, so let us see the question number 2. It is of the similar kind. Second question. See the question over here. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation at a time so that the vowel and consonant occur together? See, very good question. Simple. From the first question it was little difficult, but this is very simple. But again here method of permutation and combination both will work. I will show you how it is possible. You may be thinking now we are using all the letters, then it may not possible. No. See, first of all we shall write down here total number of letters. So how many letters we have given here? Total number of letters. So see how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8 are there. Okay. Number of vowels. How many vowels are given here? Number of vowels is equal to E, U, A, I, O. So total 5 are there, right? One is E, second one is U, I, and then O, and A I forgot. A is also there. So total 5 are there. So number of consonants, that will be definitely now 3. So number of consonants will be equal to 3. Who are they? One is T, second one is N, and one more is Q. Okay. Now what they are saying, we have to form the word by using all the letters. So basically if we are using all the letters with the help of the given word, then 8p8 will be a simple permutation and answer will come. But no, 8p8 cannot be possible. This is a general permutation. Okay, they are saying so that the vowel and consonant occur together. Okay, means I will show you one way of doing such kind of things. For example, suppose if I say total 8 places are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This structure you need not to form in the examination, that you can leave it, just I am showing you for your convenience. Okay. Now what they are saying, vowels and consonant occur together, means vowels are forming their one group and consonant are forming their another group. So I am making one line over here, there is a partition between vowel and consonant. So consonants are sitting over here like this, A, then E, I, O and then U. They can mutually change their places, means right now A is in the beginning, O can come in the beginning, A can go at the last, E can go at the second last, means internally they can change their places. Similarly, the consonants are coming together, T, N and then Q, right? Again they can internally change the places. Now you see, if I ask you by how many ways we can arrange the vowels, Okay, so arranging the vowels, again sequence is important here, because when O is coming in the beginning and A is going at the last, the word is going to form different when the A is in the beginning and O is at the last. Okay, in comparison to that, the word will be different. So this we can arrange it by 5P5 ways, and this we can arrange it by 3P3 ways. Okay, so these two things we can arrange by 5P5 and 3P3 ways. Here combination will not work because the sequence matters, right? Now one thing, tell me here initially that we can say now arrangement of vowel is over, arrangement of consonant is over. Now one thing, tell me here the group of vowel, this is the one answer, and second one, you see I have taken the group of vowel first and then consonant I have taken. Okay, I can take the consonant also first, means here you see vowels are coming first and then it is coming consonants. Okay, I can make it this one as, or consonant is coming first and then the group of vowel is coming, that is also possible. So there are two ways we can say that, either vowel then consonant will come, or consonant and then vowel will come. Okay, so we can say that there are two ways to arrange the group of vowel and consonant. So this I can arrange it by 2P2 ways, or simply you can say that 2 ways, that is also possible. If you want to give the answer in permutation only, then two places are there and vowel and consonants are coming and sitting over there. So initially vowel can come at the first place and next time consonant can come at the first place. So that vowel and consonant I can arrange it by 2P2 ways. Okay, so these two steps I am going to describe over here. Yes, here I thought initially combination will work, but combination is not going to work over here. Okay, now how I can express, and one more thing, 5P5, 3P3 and 2P2, this is the part of the whole process. Okay, this all 5P5 is one part, 3P3 is second part and 2P2 is again a part of the process. So all will be multiplied. Okay, so first of all, see, we shall write down in the solution further. Since 5 vowels could be arranged by 5P5 ways, and 3 consonants and 3 consonants could be arranged by 3P3 ways. Okay, so we can say that therefore vowels and consonant internally arranged by, means in the case of vowel we can arrange by 5P5 and consonant 3P3. So if we combine both of them, so internally they can arranged by 5P5 multiplied by 3P3 ways. Internally we are arranging, means vowels are changing the places internally, consonants are changing the places internally. So both whole permutation will be equal to 5P5 into 3P3 ways. Now here we shall mention further, since group of vowels and consonants can change their places. Can change their places means the group of vowel can go back and group of consonant can come in front, or group of vowel can be in the front and group of consonant can go back. Okay, so therefore group of, sorry, I will write down once again, group of vowel and consonant, group of vowel and consonant could be arranged by 2p2 ways, 2p2, or you can say 2 ways. 2p2, if you solve it, that will come same only. Okay, so here now mention therefore total number of ways, therefore total number of ways. Now I hope it is clear why we are multiplying all. Okay, 5p5 we are multiplying with 3p3, we are multiplying with 2p2. Okay, because this will be a part of the whole process. The process starts with the arrangement of vowel, followed by the arrangement of consonant, and ends with the arrangement of vowel and consonant group. Okay, so this process is completed till there. That's why we are multiplying all the parts. Now let us simplify this one. 5p5 we can write down as factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 5, that is factorial 0, into 3p3 as factorial 3 upon again factorial 0, and 2p2 is factorial 2 upon factorial 0. So factorial you should remember, that is 120, factorial 3 that is 6, and factorial 2 is again 2. So 6 into 12, 12 into 12, 144. So answer should be 1440. So we can say that the total number of words, therefore total number of words are 1440. That is answer. Okay, so this complete the second question. I am not taking the question number third because again it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So we shall solve from question number third next time. Okay, thank you.